friends. It is Wednesday, May 16th, and I have to do my challenge today. So Brittany gave me the challenge of teaching my dogs a new trick. To do this, I guess I need my dog, Seuss. Hi, Seuss. And Roscoe. Or Rotisserie. Or Rasputin. Or Rococo. Anything that begins with an R he'll answer to. I'm going to try and do more stuff with Seuss, though, because he doesn't like to listen because he likes to pretend he's deaf. / actually is deaf. Alright, I'm going to try and teach my dog how to shake. Yep. And we'll see what happens. I'm not expecting good things. No. Look, he doesn't even know which way to face the camera. I got my dog a treat. Okay, oh, you sat. Oh, half the battle. No, go sit again. Do the right thing. Shake. Shake, shake, good boy. Good boy, Seuss. Shake, 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 shake. Good boy. Shake, shake. Come on, shake. Sit down. Sit down. Ugh. Okay. Shake. No. No kisses. No shake. No. Seuss. I hate you. For what? This is beginning to feel more like a punishment. No kisses. Roscoe can fly. Just a shake. Why won't you shake? All right, I can't do this anymore. Just look in the camera. Look in the camera with me. No kisses. No kisses, just look in the camera. No kisses. No kisses. Roscoe can just look in the camera with me. You're so tiny, you have to do what I say. Look in the camera. Sarah, I can't wait to see what you do with your least favorite candy tomorrow. Brittany, I hated this challenge more than I've ever hated anything. My dog is stupid. Ah! No, look, we're shaking. Shake, shake, shake. Maybe I should just teach you to nod. Nod, nod. Good boy. Nod. Nod your head. Nod your head.